Just a little load here, guys. Not too much on here. This was one little pickup. I gotta go do another one, but I wanted to get all the little stuff out of this first one so I get the truck emptied. Let me get it off. There it is, guys. That load's on the ground. A few things up here we kept from it. Oil tanks here, guys. Oil tanks today. Got a lot of sun glare. Hopefully you can see it. Just cut these tanks out of a basement. 2 tanks, 275 gallons. All cut and cleaned. Plus we get paid to cut and clean them, take them out. Another peerless boiler. Coil I gotta rip out right now. Let me get it off the truck and I'll show you. Here it is, guys. Oil tanks are on the ground. Boiler's on the ground. Let's go get another load. Here we go, guys. Little load today. I got 2 big boilers underneath all this, though. That's where all the weight's gonna come from. Let me get all this light iron junk off, and then we'll go in there, we'll get these boilers off. 1,500 pounds on here right now, guys, between 2 boilers and a little bit of pipe here. Let me get it off. Here we go, guys. Another load. Filing cabinets loaded up. Got a few of these loads to get out today. Let me get these off and I'll show you as we go a little bit. Here you go, guys. Some electronics in the truck. Just going out for scrap.
Back on this way, yeah.